Welcome back. I hope you had a good time with the name game. Name of movement is one of my most favorite things to do with you guys when we're all together. And I would not be surprised if when I am back next week that I make you guys do it again. I like to play it with you. Okay, so I also want you to know how to locate my online classroom. It's just through my website. However, I know it's been a while since we've talked about how to get to my website. And currently, there are 3 different ways you can get to my website. So we're going to go over those real quick. The first way that you can get to my website is going through Schoology. So we're going to go to Schoology. And you'll see that when I'm in Schoology, you see like the teacher viewpoint of things. So just kind of ignore that. But any class that you go into, any homeroom class in Schoology is set up the same way. So your class is set up just like this. It might look a little different depending on who your classroom teacher is and how they have their Bitmoji page, like their classroom set up and their folders. But on every homeroom course in Schoology, you will see that there is a yellow specials lesson folder. And if I open this yellow specials lesson folder, then you are going to see the specials classroom. And right now it looks like this because I'm filming this in February. But then if you click on me, it will take you directly to my website. Now, if you click on me from the yellow specials folder through this, it's going to take you to my website, virtual, here, if I move my head, you'll be able to see. Right here it says virtual media. Virtual media is like my current lesson that I'm doing right now. And if you click on me, it takes you to that current lesson. But there's all of these other things up top too that you can do and that you can enjoy and explore. So that is one way that you can get to my website. Another way that you can get to my website, build it, let me get rid of that, is through the Lake Norman Charter website. So if I go LN Charter or just start typing Lake Norman Charter, then I'm going to see that I'm going to have all of these things pop up. Lake Norman Charter homepage. L, if I'm not answering, I can't answer. Stop. Sorry, I don't want to start the video over again. Elle won't stop knocking on my door. Okay, Elle is my daughter. So it'll take us here, and let's see, we're not at the elementary page, so I've got to come over here and select my school and go to the elementary school. When I'm at the elementary school, all of my options are across the top, and I want to go click on academics because underneath that is where specials lives. So specials, and I guess media center. I mean, why not? Then you'll see the link to my website right here. When you click to the website from that link, it takes you to the home page instead of the virtual media page because virtual media is the lesson that's currently going on, right? Okay, and the last way to get to my website is if you are on any school iPad, the iPads in the media center or the iPads in your classroom, you are going to see an icon that looks like this. It's going to be a little like, it's just going to look like an app icon, but it's just a web link and it takes you to my website. So it has the black WIX in it and the white, I think it's like almost like a box on the iPads here. It looks like a circle. And if you click on that, it takes you to my website. You'll wind up at the homepage. Now, disclaimer, if that iPad that you are going on has never linked to my page, it doesn't know that this is the homepage icon. So what it will look like, it'll look like this little like gray blob with like a white globe in it that has all these lines going through it. But underneath it, it will say ES Media Center. And so if you see ES Media Center, that's definitely the link to my website, to our Media Center. Now, this is important for a few reasons, but I have done a ton with Bitmoji classrooms over the course of our online learning. And there is a lot of awesome stuff and fun things to access on here. And we're going to learn more about this next time you come to the Media Center. Bye, guys.